In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refer a friend to Uber, a simple process to maximize your benefits by introducing your friends to this convenient service. Let's dive right in and make sure you're all set up to share the Uber experience with those close to you. First, you want to start by heading over to Uber Eats. Open up your preferred web browser and type in www.ubereats.com. This is where you'll find all the different options and promotions available to you as a user. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice the streamlined layout, making your next steps easy to navigate. Now take a look at the top of your screen where you'll see what's commonly referred to as the hamburger icon. This is essentially three horizontal lines stacked vertically, and it's your gateway to a variety of options. Giving it a click will open up a menu filled with Uber's features. It's designed to reduce visual clutter by organizing key functionalities into a simple dropdown. Next, within this menu, you'll see an option labeled Invite Friends. Click on it to proceed. Uber has made this option prominent enough so it's hard to miss. When you select it, you're opening up opportunities to spread the word about the efficient service you've come to appreciate. Plus, you usually get a reward when your friends make their first purchase, so it's a win-win situation for both parties. Once you've clicked on Invite Friends, you'll now have access to your unique referral link. This link is custom tailored to track any referrals coming from your recommendation. You want to make sure you copy this link carefully. It's going to act as your digital invitation card, ushering your friends into the Uber experience. Finally, with your link copied, the real fun begins. Sharing. You can take this link and post it on any of the social media platforms you're active on, be it Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or even through direct messaging apps like WhatsApp or Messenger. Sharing on multiple platforms boosts your chance of getting more referrals, which in turn could mean more rewards for you. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've not only shared something valuable with your friends, but also potentially increased the value you receive from Uber. Remember, the more friends who sign up using your referral, the more benefits you can enjoy. Perfect for those who love spreading the word and reaping the rewards. Thanks for tuning in and happy sharing.